So, Gita, what's the story?
We have today the Gerritsen wines, Syrah. This is Matt Gerritsen from Paso Robles. Matthew, he's wild animal.
Not like
we,
that, though.
Right there, the 2004 Paso Robles. Right there.
A lovely shade of teal for the
Lucienne,
label.
how do you say that?
What? Louisane?
Louisane, boys and girls,
Louisane.
right there. And,
Potato. We don't know how it's pronounced.
and then we have the Bouledoir.
The pink
right,
one.
Yeah.
The Bouledoir.
AKA, pass me the pink one. Right there.
Sounds inappropriate.
There
anyway,
we go.
It's both of them are 2004 Syrah, and they come to us from...
I don't share my pink one with just anybody. That's the, sorry, excuse me.
So, anyway, Matt Gerritsen makes these, and we're very thankful that he does, because they're entirely tasty, just to start us out. Comes to us from Paso Robles. Peter, you want to say something?
Southern California.
Appropriate?
That really narrows it down. Anyway, oh, we have a guest here today. Anyway, no, they're just big, rich, heavy Syrahs. He does a number of Syrah-based wines, Rhone style, and as of the last year, he's gone sort of missing. I don't know where Matt Gerritsen is or what he's doing, but
we wish he'd come out of hiding.
Yes.
But speaking of making a very powerful wine, these are indeed powerful. This first one, I have to look at it. I'm sorry. Louisane.
We don't know how to say that.
It starts with an L.
Right,
It's got a tail label. It has 15.5% alcohol, and the other one is 16.7. These are very, very serious Syrahs, so they're not for the faint of heart.
Think of this as the sort of the Turley of the Syrah world. Warm climate.
Right. It's a Turley in a Syrah bottle.
So what do you got?
I get on the nose. I get sort of an earthy sort of warm forest floor kind of smell to it. Something fun. How about on yours?
Well, I got the Bouledoir, and I get much more sort of spice apple pie going on.
Yes, I would say that the Bouledoir is more peppery, where this other one, the Louisane, is more fruit forward, but it does have these very sweet, mossy kind of notes on it, on the nose. So.
A lot more. We have a guest.
We have a guest who agrees.
So a little bit of heat to it.
Yes, yes. I say that one is peppery, and it's interesting. With this one, though, this one changes a lot.
Well,
So anyway, with this one, then, the Louisane, however you want to call it, it's a very interesting wine on the palate in that it changes. So it starts out kind of subtle, then gets a little crazy, and then rounds out and finishes really light and very clean. So it's a wine that has a lot of movement to it. So it's a really interesting Syrah.
All right, can we trade?
Notable difference. They're both Syrahs, both 2004, both from Paso Robles, and yet are completely, entirely different wines.
Absolutely. Highly recommend the chorizo with these.
Yes.
Yummy. Yummy.
Cheers, Peter.
All right. Thank you.